Krishna students, if you want to follow my class for now or for afterward, so that you have to do only one work, that is you have to press that subscribe button. Okay, that's all. Hare Krishna students, today we are going to learn chapter 8. What is the topic? Chaturthi Vibhakti. Before you learn Chaturthi Vibhakti rules, na? So those things will apply here. So Chaturthi Vibhakti, Sampradhan Karak, today we will learn here. Where you will use Chaturthi Vibhakti? Where we are getting the meaning for or giving. Okay. Where we are using for or giving in English. In that place in Sanskrit we will use Chaturthi Vibhakti Sampradhan Karak. Sampradhan means dan only. Okay. Now next one. See. Danam. From here you will start reading. Okay. Danam means you can say charity. Okay. So Danam ekah uttamah gunah asti. That means charity is a good quality. Okay. Really charity is a good quality. If you give money or if you help to others, anyway, that are your good quality. Am I right? So, Danam also, that means charity also is a good quality. Prakriti, now some example are given. Why it is good quality? Okay. Prakriti sarthang bina sarvebhyah danam karati. That means nature. Prakriti means nature. So, nature is doing charity. But nature is taking something from us? No, na. So, sarthang bina. That means without any self-interest. So, prakriti sarthang bina sarvebhyah danam karati. That means we can say nature is doing charity to everyone without any self-interest. Okay? মানে প্রকৃতি আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করে, দান করে, কিন্তু তার বদলে আমাদের থেকে কিন্তু কিচ্ছু নেয় না। নেক্সট, সূর্যঃ সকলেভ্যঃ গ্রহেভ্যঃ প্রকাশং দদাতি। দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য সান ইজ গিভিং লাইট টু অল দ্য প্ল্যানেট। নেক্সট লাইন, বসুধা জীবেভ্যঃ অন্নং যচ্ছতি। দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য আর্থ ইজ গিভিং ফুড. Food means খাবার. Annam. Annam means we can say food, খাবার. So Vasudha, that means earth. The earth is giving food to all the animals. Jivavya means we can say animals. Okay? Or we can say prani also. Pavanah kasmaihi pranang na dadati. That means we can say to whom the wind is not giving life. মানে পবন মানে হচ্ছে বাতাস. বাতাস কাকে প্রাণদান করে না? কাকে? বাতাস কিন্তু সবাইকে প্রাণদান করে. বাতাসের জন্যই তো আমরা অক্সিজেন পাই, তাই না? সো পবনঃ কস্मै প্রাণান ন দদাতি. দ্যাট মিন্স টু whom the wind is not giving life. Okay, here life means oxygen. So, বৃক্ষাः সকলেভ্যः ফলানি যচ্ছন্তি. বৃক্ষাः, that means trees. Trees give fruits to everyone. সকলেভ্যः, that means everyone. নদী পিপাসিতেভ্যः জলং দদাতি. That means the river gives water to the whom? Pipasitevyo. That means to the thirsty person. Now next. Mata putrayo snehang dadati. That means the mother is giving love to the son. Shikshakah chhatrebhyo vidyang dadati. That means the teacher is imparting knowledge to the students. Like I am giving knowledge to you, so imparting means distributing, you can say. means জ্ঞান দান করা। So teacher is imparting knowledge to the students. গাবহ, গৌ গাবো গাবহ, গৌ গাবো গাবহ, that means গরুরা, কাউরা, okay? So গাবহ প্রতিদিনং জনেভ্যঃ দুগ্ধং যচ্ছন্তি। প্রতিদিনং means every day, that means every day the cow gives milk to everyone. Janebhyo na, so cow is giving milk to only her child, no na, to everyone she is distributing. So the cow, every day the cow gives milk to everyone. Now next one, सैनिकाः देशायो स्वजीवनमपि ददति, that means soldiers are giving their lives for what? For the country. Desayo, desayo means for the country. Now daneno chittam shuddham bhavati, that means purification of the heart. Chittam means heart, shuddham means purification. So purification of the heart is happening through the charity. মানে দান করলে কি হয়, আমাদের চিত্ত শুদ্ধ হয়। So purification of the heart is happening through the charity. Now this part, look at this sentence 2, means you have to see this sentence also. Rameshah sneheno balokaya modakam dadati, that means Ramesh is giving laddu, modakam means laddu to the boy. With what? With love. Sneha means you can say love. Now next one, aham bhikshu kabhyam annam dadami. Aham means what? Aham means I. So I am giving food to the bhikshu kabhyam, that means two beggars. তার মানে আমি দুজন ভিখারিকে কি দিচ্ছি, অন্ন দিচ্ছি বা খাদ্য দান করছি। সো আই এম গিভিং ফুড টু দ্য টু বেগার্স, অহং ভিক্ষু কাভ্যাম অন্নম দদামি। শিক্ষকঃ ছাত্রেভ্যঃ পুরস্কারং যচ্ছতি, দ্যাট মিন্স দ্য টিচার ইজ গিভিং প্রাইজ, পুরস্কারং মিন্স প্রাইজ, so the teacher is giving prize to the students. Now come to this side, छात्रः शिक्षिकायै पुस्तकं ददाति, शिक्षिकायै, so the students is giving book to the female teacher, because शिक्षिकायै, शिक्षिका na, if male teacher then शिक्षकायो, but शिक्षिकायै that means female teacher, like me, like your Sangeeta teacher. So the students is giving book to the female teacher. Now next, Govinda kasmai dhanam jachati, that means to whom Govinda is giving wealth. Dhan means wealth. Now next one, Twang tasmai daridrayo balokayo king dadati, that means what are you giving to the poor boy? Balokayo, that means boy. So what are you giving to the poor boy? Doridrayo balokayo, poor boy. Now next one, aham etabhyam doridrabhyam balikabhyam rupyakani dadami. Aham, that means I am giving money, rupyakani, money, to this doridrabhyam balikabhyam, that means two poor girls. I am giving money to these two poor girls. দুটো দরিদ্র মেয়েকে, that's why two poor girls. Now go to the next page. Here you have to memorize only Sanskrit meaning and English meaning. Don't read the Hindi meaning, okay? If you don't memorize the meaning, you cannot give the answer in exam time. Because if you don't understand the meaning of Sanskrit, how you will be understand the questions? Okay, and now this part, this rules part. Before also you learn Chaturthi Vibhakti, so there only you learn this type of things. So that rules only you have to apply here. What is the masculine gender rules you learn? Ayo, abhyam, evhyo. So balokayo, balokabhyam, balokevhyo. Okay. And what is the feminine gender rules? Aoi, abhyam, abhyo. So aoi, abhyam, abhyo. Shikshikaoi, shikshikabhyam, shikshikabhyo. Okay. And neuter gender rules as same as masculine gender. So ayo, abhyam, evhyo. Mitrayo, mitrabhyam, mitrebhyo. And what and for sarvanam I told that you have to memorize. So etat sabdarup, masculine gender, ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. How you will memorize? Etasmai, etavhyam, etevhyo. Now tat punglinga, tasmai, tabhyam, tevhyo. Kim punglinga, kasmai, kabhyam, kevhyo. Now strilinga, that means feminine gender. Etat, etasai. Before etasmai, mo. Now etasai, yo. Etasai, etavyam, etavyo, etavyo, eta. Before etavyo, now etavyo. Now tat, tasai, tavyam, tavyo, tavyo. Okay. Now kim sabdarup strilingo. Kasyai, before kasmai, now kasyai. Kasyai, kabhyam, kavhyo, kavhyo, visarga, that's why kavhyo. Like this you have to memorize. Okay. And where you will use this Chaturthi Vibhakti. Before all I told, for whom, for namaskar, that means salutation. For those things you have to use Chaturthi Vibhakti. Now, so this much only your today's CW. Okay. So start from here. So page number 28 and 29. Definitely I will give meaning of page number 28. That means this page meaning I will give you. Please write the meaning in your CW copy. Every day I will not say you. You have to write the meaning in your CW copy. Definitely when school will open, I will check your meaning that you wrote or not. Okay. Because in exam definitely I will give to do the translate. If you not write the meaning, you cannot do the translation. So please write the meaning. I will send you the picture.